Can German Shepherds be trained for scent detection? German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are widely used in various fields, including search and rescue, police work, and as service animals. One of the tasks in which German Shepherds excel is scent detection. While many people associate scent detection with breeds such as Bloodhounds or Beagles, German Shepherds can also be trained for this purpose. German Shepherds have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, even more sensitive than that of humans. They have about 220 million scent receptors, compared to the mere 5 million that humans possess. This makes them well suited for tasks that involve identifying and locating specific scents, such as narcotics, explosives, or missing individuals. The process of training German Shepherds for scent detection starts at a young age. It is crucial to begin training them early to establish a solid foundation and develop their olfactory abilities. The first step is to introduce the dog to different scents and gradually associate them with positive experiences, such as treats or playtime. By doing so, the dog learns to associate certain scents with rewards, making it more motivated to search for them. Once the foundation is established, the training progresses to more complex tasks. This involves teaching the dog various scent detection techniques, such as air scenting and tracking. Air scenting involves the dog using the air currents to detect specific scents in the environment, while tracking requires the dog to follow a scent trail left by a person or object. To refine their skills, German Shepherds go through rigorous training exercises. These exercises are designed to challenge their abilities and ensure they can perform in real-life scenarios. They may involve searching for hidden scents in different environments, such as buildings, vehicles, or open areas. The dog must learn to discriminate between different scents and alert the handler when a target odor is detected. The success of training German Shepherds for scent detection depends on several factors. Firstly, the dog's genetics play a role. German Shepherds bred specifically for working purposes, rather than show or pet purposes, tend to have a higher drive and inclination for scent work. Additionally, the dog's health and physical condition are important, as a fit and healthy dog will be more capable of performing demanding tasks. Furthermore, the training methods used also impact the dog's ability to become an effective scent detection dog. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as rewarding the dog for successful alerts, are highly recommended. These methods create a positive association with the task, making the dog more motivated and enthusiastic about performing scent detection tasks. It is important to note that not all German Shepherds will excel in scent detection. While the breed as a whole has a great potential for this type of work, individual dogs may have varying degrees of success. Some may possess a stronger drive for scent work, while others may be more inclined towards other tasks, such as obedience or protection work. It is crucial for potential handlers to assess their dog's aptitude and interests before embarking on scent detection training. In conclusion, German Shepherds can indeed be trained for scent detection. Their powerful sense of smell, coupled with their intelligence and loyalty, makes them well suited for this type of work. With proper training, German Shepherds can become highly effective scent detection dogs, capable of locating specific odors and alerting their handlers. However, it is essential to start training them at a young age and use positive reinforcement techniques to ensure their success in scent detection tasks.